Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much.
Huh?
I love you long time. You forget me.
I'm not just making it up, but it touched 40 before. I had to go back and have a power nap. So it's now about 20 to 5. I'm just going to wander around for an hour or two and find a place to watch the football. They don't have it in my hotel, even though it's got 2 Sports 7, unless it's on there. I will find it if I've got to walk all the way back to Manchester. But by the looks of things, on here, most of the bars are closed. The idea of all this water that sprays out, cools you down. It all comes down. But I only hope that it's clean water and not sewerage. Oh. I once did that in Spain, in Tenerife, for the lads. They were red hot and there's a lot of water on this grass coming out from these sprinklers. So we run into the middle of it and it was sewerage. It absolutely honked. It was all bouking. I'm going to take a left down here today and retrace my steps. But if it's too far, I'll give up. I was just chatting to a girl there who was cleaning outside one of the bars, and she says the only place you'd probably be able to watch the football is in a restaurant. So I might have to head over to the Zoe in Yellow part of town, where possibly I could buy a plate of chips and make it last for 2 hours. Here we are, election fever. Oh no. No, it's not. I've never been down here before, so I don't know what's down here, but I'm hoping this is the road I came along. And maybe a mile or so down here, a mile and a half, it went all oldie worldy. It looked really good from the taxi. So I'm going to take a left here and hopefully it's along this road. Probably won't be, but at least I'm getting out and getting some. I could get a jackery in, rent a little bike. I might do that. I might do that and go to the train station tomorrow. Well, let me ask, is there anybody here though? Is there anybody? There's nobody about. All gone. Sawadee Cap. How much to rent a bicycle?
60 baht.
And what do I?
24 hours.
So if I come tomorrow, I can. What do I need? Just
nothing. Just
nothing.
Deposit 500 baht.
500.
And then I take the picture of passport.
Right, so if I bring a photocopy of my passport, that's all right.
Fine.
Yeah, okay.
I take picture for you.
Okay, thanks. Okay, bye. I don't want to bike now. I don't want to bike now, do I? When I'm going to watch football. 60 baht for 24 hours. Cheap is that, isn't it? I found one. Thank God for that. This is nice stuff, Gatorade. Look at this, what is it? Wonder what's in there. Let's have a look through the glass. Is it a spa? What is it? Looks like some sort of massage place. A spa. It's not open anyway. I bet it's not open because I don't want to get roped into there. Hello. Just down here, not far. Thank you. Back down to Lake Road. Yeah, there's a big hotel. That's my landmark thing. Oh, I think I know where this is. There's a few massage shops at the end of here, and I'm sure it's this little site. I was going to look at this earlier on, but I forgot all about it. Got sidetracked. Beautiful light now. Chatting to an Aussie guy there. He's got a bar down there. Hello. And he said it's quite a strict one, this closing the bars when it's the elections. No one will really risk it. But he said the Red Lion might have it on because it's a restaurant. So I'm going to go and ask him now. And if it is, that's where I shall go. Smells like Amsterdam here, if you know what I mean. Little pot there. What is this place? Like a Chinese, is it a Chinese temple thing? Shanghai, some sort of charity. Nice little bars there, aren't they? I like stuff like that. Looks good.
Powers according to law.
There's the old king. Long live the king. Thank you. Cheers, Charlie. So just asked this girl here, and they have got the City game on tonight in here, so that'll be alright. 9 o'clock. Now then, where are we? I'm in Chiang Mai. I've just been in the Red Lion. Had about, I don't know, 7 or 8 Leos in the afternoon watching the coronation of Charlie, and got chatting to a guy from England and a guy from America. Really nice conversation, bit of banter. Can't remember the names. I'm now nipping home. I'm gonna have a quick shower, get rid of my fanny pack, put my City shirt on, and get back to watch City. You're on live. So I've got about an hour and a half to kill. If I'd stayed there drinking, I'd have got too drunk. So I've used my loaf, just nip home, quick, freshen myself up, put my shirt on, and get back there. It's been a good day, another good day in Chiang Mai. 2 really good days in Chiang Mai. It's a race against time. I can do it. You can do it, Owen. Get rid of this fanny pack. he's stuck around the door, that's it. Quick shower. I've rushed back with minutes to spare. Put the old City shirt on. Come on, let's get this Leeds United beat. Rushing back for the Blues. Things you do when you love something. Put my life at risk now, running across here so I can get to the game in time. I'm going to show you something now. Look at that, ready? I'm going to show you. Number one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, City. Now then, where are we? Just got back to my room and I'm gonna settle down for a little bit of sleep. Today's been a day of elections where all the bars have been closed. 6 o'clock, no alcohol. But I can honestly say that today and tonight I've drunk more beer than I did last night when they were open. It's just what you know and where you're lucky enough to get into. I got into a bar and the football was on and the beer was flowing. So it's all about luck. And that's just by asking one guy earlier on today, I can watch the football. And he told me, get yourself there. So that's what I did. Met two guys, an American guy and a guy from England. Had some good banter with them. So another good day. A few massage shops open on the way home. Tempted a little bit to go for a massage, but I refrained. I refrained because I'm a good lad and I'm not like that. Well, not at the moment, anyway. So until whenever, City 4 points clear at the top of the league. Hey, champions, over and out.
Why you won't make me here?